ParaCourse Premium lesson, I want to show you how you can model this parametric origami simulation by defining a folding degree. Fold degree, you can see that I can open this or close it. And we're going to also define a parameter which is called T, the location of the folding. And also there is a parametric surface which you can see that we can change the size of it and see when we fold it what's going to happen. So this origami tutorial is going to talk about some ways to understand how you can find the intersection. For example, we're going to use several intersections on the base of the origami, find the intersection, and then finally get the first point. You can see it here for the location, which I'm going to talk about it. Let me just open the folding so you can understand. Okay, we're going to find the location of the second point, and then we're going to use these intersections and also a simple array to find the final results. Basically what we're going to do is to only find one of the base folding pattern, which is this one, and then use the linear array to do that final result. So you can see that I'm doing this. So I'm going to talk about intersections, how we can find the exact simulation of this origami, and how we can do it in Grasshopper.